Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. How are you doing?
Doing great. Thank you very much for asking me. What about you? How are you?
Amazing. Amazing. Thank you. And how did your day go?
Yeah, it was fantastic. Like, not bad. It's normal day.
Normal
It
day.
was only, yeah.
Okay, okay. Anything special that you would like to do in the weekend or, if you had more time, spend time with your friends? Anything, out of the ordinary, different from your routine?
Yes, like, 31st is coming. So, me and my friend circle, we are planning to go one of five-star hotel.
Hmm.
So this is surprise for me. This is surprise for me. Let's see that what will happen because I think the 25 December, that moment Christmas will be here. So let's see how will we celebrate a Christmas and 31st. So we are
Okay.
planning. Yeah. So this is
Okay, okay.
surprise. Yeah.
You're
Mm.
celebrating both Christmas and New Year? Do you celebrate every year?
No, no, actually, I do not celebrate Christmas, but I attend, some party about 31st. But
Uh-uh.
I don't drink alcohol and something because, in my religion, it's not allowed to like do that.
Okay, okay. I understand, understand.
Yes.
Okay, it's actually good that you don't drink alcohol, so you can enjoy the place
Yes.
as it is, right? So
I, I,
that
I enjoy a lot when 31st came. So me and my friend,
comes when
we
31st comes.
yeah when 31st comes, so we my friend circle, we go to outside and whole night we just do a whole night out, then we enjoy one place to other place, we roam here and there, we celebrate each other, and we try to do fun lots of things in whole night. Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay. Enjoying life to the fullest is a phrase that you
Yes.
can use. Okay, an
Okay.
expression.
Mhm.
Enjoying life to the fullest.
Enjoying a life to the fullest, this is idioms. Okay,
Yeah,
definitely I'll
one
speak.
an expression. Okay, just use it and use it on 31st. Tell your friends, let's enjoy life to the fullest.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Okay, okay. So tell me something about technology. What do you think? Does it isolate us more or does it connect us more?
Yeah, it does connect us more because technology is advanced in this world. Already we are connecting each other. You are living so far, I'm living so far. We can easily connect. We can easily access each other. We can make a video call. We can talk audio call. We can fax each other like that. So
Mhm,
technology, come merge together. We can say it's merge a person, one to other person. Yeah.
mhm, mhm. Okay.
Technology. Yes.
Instead of we can access each other, we have the access to each other.
Okay, we have to access to
No,
each other.
we have the access to each other.
We have the access to each other. Okay.
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 Okay. Yes.
Right.
Yes, you're right. That only because of technology, so much of connecting with each other is possible, and
Yes.
not only have like personal conversations with your friends and family, but you can also do a lot of business, and which is good for everybody, right? Okay.
Yes. Even if I give an example, so I have a Facebook account.
Mhm.
So my friend, she belonged to London. We can say US London over there. And sometimes she texts me. Sometimes she try to make a video call. So
Mhm.
we can, it's a technology advance, that's why reason we take a benefit from each other, like about we can call, we can talk, we can meet on social media also. So technology is advanced.
Mhm, mhm. Oh, it's very nice that you get to learn about different cultures, right?
Right.
Okay. Anything that you learned about London that you liked?
Yes, over there, we can say they are British, and okay, they have a own command, they have a rule and regulation, and they are very sharp, they are very smart, we can say, and they follow like rule and regulation. They are always punctual guy, we can say,
Very good. Yes.
and they do hard work about study, about job. Even they do not believe that they can do anything, like small job, big job, whatever. They do not prefer to, they do not hate any kind of, even one of my friend, he's working in a petrol pump sector, but
Mhm.
he doing beside, he doing a study also, and beside he doing a job also in that culture over there in a London. So we can say
Difficult.
not determine job thing, we can say they think about equal and together, we can say. So this is nice culture over there.
Mhm, mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So London.
So just a correction, they don't undermine any job. They
Okay.
are more determined, you can say. Okay, determined is a different word, undermine is a different word.
Okay. Undermine means what, ma'am? Undermine means what?
Undermine means they don't put down any job, they don't think any job is big or small.
Okay, big or small. Okay, undermine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, please
And
continue.
determine means like partiality, determine.
No,
Partiality.
so there are two things. One is determined to do something. When you really want to do something, you have that desire and that motivation and focus to do something.
Okay.
Okay, that is determination.
Determination. Okay.
Yeah, determined is when you have set your mind to do something.
Okay. Oh, I see.
It's
Yes.
very
Yes.
similar, but used
Yeah.
in different
Okay.
forms. That's all. Okay, please
Okay.
continue. You were saying your other things that you like about London and its people.
Yeah, and education also very famous over there. Like who are done education, like Oxford Dictionary, some Oxford. I don't know,
University.
university, Oxford University. So higher education and
Mhm.
high qualified over there. So it's a London culture. It's outstanding. I know that this is so expensive. We can say like English country. Obviously, this is English country.
True.
So we have to pay a huge of amount if we want to take a study and take a job. So we have to pay a huge of amount. But if you learn over there, definitely you can feel comfortable, you can enjoy your life as a paradise, yeah.
Very good, very good. Yes, you can enjoy life like it's a paradise if
Yes.
you work hard, because these countries are very, very advanced as well, hardworking. They have a great culture. People are also very nice. So it's good. And it's actually very good that you're learning about different countries through English. So do you understand their accent? I find it hard to understand their
Yeah,
accent.
sometime I watch your videos, okay, YouTube videos.
Mhm.
So I understand accent, British accent, American accent, and Australian accent also. Yeah, because some sentence is similar, like about British versus American. It's a similar little
It's
bit,
similar, yes, yes, yes.
similar.
Yeah, but when they speak too fast, I find it a little hard, the British accent, but yeah, I can understand most of what they say.
I don't know how do they band the tongue and they speak like rapidly. I mean, they are native Twitter, obviously. So they made a habit. That's why reason they can speak, like rapidly, like fastly. But if you talk about our accent, it's different, and British and American accent different, because they when they use any word, so before speak they band the tongue. So that's why reason they use a raw like that. I watched a video, some videos. So in that video, a guy, he was showing like how to learn a British accent and what is a procedure about speaking an accent like that. So I learned little bit. Yeah.
Oh, very nice, very nice. So I hope you improve, and in 2 or 3 classes, you're able to use the British accent.
No, I want to learn an accent. Right now, I'm concentrating my communication, like about English language, especially. If I learn an English language, definitely, within a short period, I will grab, any accent. But accent is not
Grasp any accent.
grab, grab any accent.
Grasp. Grasp. Grasp.
Grasp any accent. Yes.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yes, yes. It's once you have a hold and command over your language, then you can try and inculcate different accents, because you can practice and practice imitating and speaking
Yeah.
and listening to them every day.
Yeah.
Right?
In India, like here is nothing requirement any accent. you know.
True.
So if you create your own accent, so people understand, people manage your communication, manage your story, like I understand, it's okay, continue, let's forward. Yeah, so here is nothing requirement any action, but it's very important, your story, your content, your communication, this is very very important. Then people feel to like comfortable, you are speaking well,
People feel comfortable, not too comfortable. People
people.
feel comfortable. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And also here there is no need or no requirement of an accent.
Okay, here is no need and no requirement.
Here,
Here,
and you take a pause, there is no requirement of an accent.
okay, here it's no need to requirement.
No,
And
there is no need of an accent, or
okay,
yeah, you can
there
use
is
that.
need, accent and requirement.
No, don't confuse need and requirement in one line. Okay. Either you say there is no requirement of an accent or there is no need of an accent.
Okay, there is no need accent.
Of an accent.
Of an accent. Okay, of an accent.
Yes, you should not eat up all these small words.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes I trap that kind of sentence and that kind of story about need and requirement. Sometimes I pressure my mind like what I'm talking about. Sometimes suppose you are correcting me, so I'm confusing what's my error, what's my mistake. How do I speak right? So I feel too uncomfortable, and that moment I feel like I'm mixing XYZ ABCD like that. So it's happened with me. It happened with me really.
Happens because we are all conscious and we want to be like 100% correct.
Yes.
So it's okay. What you can do is maybe when I repeat something, you can try and repeat it, or you can also re-watch the session where you have time for me to speak, time for you to think, and you can be like, okay, this is what she said. Let me rephrase everything and let me try saying these things again. So there you get time. Here you're like, oh, I'm doing this, I want to do it fast, she's waiting. So I understand that you get a little fumble.
Right.
Okay.
Little fumble, like it's a much fumble, we can say. It's big fumble for me. Really.
Don't worry about it.
Because here we get only for 15 minutes. So that moment I was thinking like, how do I speak fastly? How do I consume a 15 minutes? How do I done a 15 minutes? So my mind is going fastly. I do not take a pause. I do not take a stop. I just try to speak continuously, because already my intention is like we get only for 15 minutes, so I have to talk. This is my mentality. I don't know like why we think about.
No, we do, because we want to make the most of every second that we have, so we can speak all that we have practiced. Correct?
Right.
Okay. And one more thing, you don't say I speak fastly, I speak fast. I speak very fast.
Okay, very fast. Okay.
Yeah. So that don't worry, it's all fine. But try to just concentrate. Okay, I have to speak. Don't keep the time limit. The time will run whether you keep a track of it or not. Okay. So tell me something. Have you ever tried your luck with the lottery?
Yes, lottery. Even I didn't try, but I heard about whoever believe a lottery as a as a luck. This not good for human being, but people are just applying. People are just believing a lottery. Maybe you saw like one of web series Dhindora, like BBK Wines. Maybe you know that. Do you know BBK Wines? He's a YouTuber, Bhuvan Bam.
Oh, okay. I've heard. VINES, right?
Yeah, VIN is BBK Wine, and YouTube name is BBK Wine. Okay. And recently he launched one web series, and that was Dindora. Name was Dindora. And in that movie series, they mentioned that lottery, when we get a lottery when we get any lottery, so how to be excitement, how to we do, and people crazy about I need the money. No one even think about hard work. Everyone believing like I want to earn, I want to become richest within a short period. So nice series. I watch it. I watch it, and it's based on lottery tickets. Really.
Okay,
So we can
okay,
say, yeah,
okay.
yeah,
You
tell
were
me.
saying?
Yeah, we can say, don't believe that any kind of lottery. If you struggle yourself, if you do hard work, automatically you will get a lottery. You will get a lottery because I heard about God always watch you. If you do good, definitely God will help you. God will, open a door like success door. You know, so depend
Mhm,
on you. Depend on, don't depend any luck, anything. Depend on
mhm.
hard work. Believe hard work, do hard work. Automatically you will get a lottery. You know,
Well
yeah.
said, well said. Okay, instead of depend on you, depend on yourself.
Depend on
Better
Mhm.
sentence would be count on yourself.
Count on yourself. Means depend on
Yes,
yourself. Okay.
yes. Like I can do it. Have that attitude. Okay.
Yes, I can do it. Yes, right.
Okay. So let's assume that you won a lottery. Okay. Like 1 crore. What would you do with the prize money?
Yeah, of course. First thing I will try to spend my dream. We can say about I can do a shop. Okay, I can do a shopping. Then after that, I can buy some property. Then try to fulfill. And it's very important. Like first thing, when I get a lottery, then I will try to take a as a foreign trip. Yeah, foreign trip because in a other foreign country as a two purpose. Okay, then after that I'll start like big business, then invest here and there. Then after that make a build a house, and easily life will be going. I think if I get a chance, if I get a lottery 1 crore rupees, so I will spend that thing this way and that way, like about
Yeah,
foreign trip, about the business, about family and house. Because one idiom is like, how do you call shelter, I don't know how do we call, like roti kapda makana, how do we call this line
food, clothing, shelter.
food clothing shelter, yeah. So everyone need these things, so definitely I
Absolutely.
will fulfill. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's a good idea. One, travel is a brilliant thing, and then you need to invest in other business so you can grow and increase that money, and a
Yes.
little bit to enjoy. Of course, we all like to enjoy, shop, spoil ourselves, get something from here and there. Yeah, I think it would be a fun thing to do. Whom would you tell first about your lottery?
Yeah, of course, of course, of course. So tell me.
Whom would you tell first that you won a lottery?
I will tell first my parents, obviously my mom, because she's my life. She's, mom always our life.